Bonnie, happy Friday! I am back. Oh my goodness, goes to the machine. So I uploaded 2 videos and the ends got cut off. I'm like, what the heck is going on? There's no reason this should have happened because they were like in one chunk. I don't know. So I had to re-upload everything. They should be working now. And I got Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty to talk about. So hopefully this one doesn't glitch. I'm so excited about it. Trader Joe's is doing such a good job this year. So I am going to go through these. There's little numbers on them. They're hard to see the numbers though. I don't know if I'm going to go in order. I'm just going to start opening them because I'm like, I'm not going to find the numbers. So I'm going to make up my own numbers. So number 1 that's not number 1 is gingerbread cookie moisturizing lip balm. It's funny. I got these for my daughter at the box. I'm keeping this one. I want one. Oh my gosh. These are nice. These are really, I like the formula. Oh my gosh, my lips feel very moisturized. They're not sticky either. And it's gingerbread. Okay, so that's a win. Okay, next box, I have the, brown sugar carob lip scrub. Check it out. Oh, that smells good. Little, I'll try out their lip scrub. I should do a whole lip scrub video. Best lip scrub. I know which one I love. I love my Lush lip scrub. Okay, next box. Oh my gosh, what is this? It looks like candy. It's an exfoliating sugar scrub cube. Check this out. By the way, these are $12.99. These make great gifts. This is like a super fun gift for someone. Okay, next box. Check it out. This is the vitamin C firming body butter. So that's a nice size, I'll have to say. So I'm kind of opening just like, I'm going in a circle here. So next one, check it out. This one, oh my gosh, this is kind of weird. My camera stopped, of course. This is the lavender bath salt. So it's basically like a sample size, but still kind of cool. Once again, this is like $12.99. So what the heck? It's glued in, you guys. It's glued in. What the heck is it? Ooh. Can't talk. Rice polish. That's hard to say. Cleanser powder. What, is this like a cleanser? I don't know what this is. I gotta look on the back. That's kind of like a mystery going on. I don't know what it is. Okay, next up. Oh, we have the Neroli Bamboo Shave Cream. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'll try that. Next we have a facial cleanser. See if I can get it out. These are kind of hard to get out, I gotta say. Trader Joe's facial cleanser. You know what's nice? If you want to try like all of Trader Joe's like products, this is a good way to do it. Oh, is this a bath bomb? I think it is. A yuzu bath fizzer. I've never tried any of their bath products before. Okay, next up. Oh, my finger got stuck on here. Almost broke my nail. Oh my gosh. Cake batter scented body butter. Check this one out. Is this going to be my favorite? Oh, it does smell like cake butter. Cake butter. Did I just say cake butter? Cake batter. Boy, I'm having trouble tonight, you guys. I don't know. Is there a full moon out there? Actually, this is really nice. It's not super strong, but it does smell like cake batter. That's a nice size, too. Let me see. What's next? What is this? This is the Trader Joe's Sweet Nectarine Moisturizing Hand Cream. Let me try some of this. Put it with cake batter. Nectarine cake batter. Oh, that's nice. I actually like nectarine. Oh, it's sweet. I don't like peach, but I like nectarine. Nectarine has nothing to do with a peach, by the way. It's more of an orange. Oh, this is the Brazil nut hair mask. I'm going to use this tonight. I think this is the same scent as the other Brazil nut products. I'm going to try this. I'm going to see if I like this because that looks really cool. So I think I opened everything. Check it out. Now I've ripped open the box, but that's okay. So, is it worth it? You know, it's a cute gift. You get 12 products, so it's 12 days of beauty. So each product is like maybe $1.10. So not bad. If you like Trader Joe's and you want to try each of the products, you're basically paying $1 for each product, or you could get it as a Christmas gift, and it's kind of fun to open. It's a little bit longer than just ripping the paper off. Someone gets to open it. So I'm going to put these in a little bag over here so I don't lose anything. I want to be able to use that. So anyway, that is the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty box. I have got one more video for you guys. I'll see you later.